Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will give the full tutorial of drawing a face of baby. So without any delay, let's get started. So I am using 3H pencil to draw left eye and I will complete shade it from 3H pencil. So let's see. I am not applying any pressure to draw, and now I am using 6B pencil to obtain darker areas in eyeball. It is very important to keep space for highlights for showing it more realistic, so it keeps in mind and shade it. Now I am using HB pencil to apply second layer surround the eye. Don't forget to shade into the eye for make it more realistic. By the way, I have uploaded a dedicated video on eye on my YouTube channel, so you can easily learn to draw a realistic eye. So you can visit my channel and I will also provide that video link in description, so you can go there and you can watch the full tutorial. So I have applied second layer surrounding the eye. On other eye there is the same process, so I am doing some time lapse on video for making it shorter. Now it's time to draw eyebrows. So here I will apply the same process. Firstly I will use the 3H pencil for creating the base layer and grey tone. Then I will use either mechanical pencil or darker pencil to draw the hairs of eyebrows. So let's see. Now both eyes have drawn, you can see that. Now it's time to draw nose. I will start the nose draw from below and I will use the same process which we have used before for drawing the both eyes. So first of all I am using 3H pencil to shade whole nose for giving the first layer on it, and then I will use darker pencils to apply more layers. Before it I will blend it all which we have shaded yet by using the painting brush for smooth texture, and you can use any blending tool which you have and which you like to use for blending, so it's your wish. Now I am using 2B pencil to apply second layer on nose, and I am also shade below the eyes, you can see that. Here I am using 6B pencil for darker lines. So now I will draw the mouth, and I will use the 3H pencil which we have used before yet. So wait and watch. I will complete shade it by using 3H pencil for creating a grey tone, and where is highlight, where I will not shade, I will keep blank there for highlighted. And now I am using 6B pencil to draw darker areas inside the mouth, and now I am also using HB pencil to create depth inside the mouth. So observe how I am shading. And now I am using 2B pencil to shade the lips. I'm also using 2B pencil inside the mouth where it's depth, so you can see that. After complete shade it, I will blend it by using brush. And now for highlights, I am using zero eraser. Now I am applying another layer to make it more realistic. So it's totally depends on you how much layer will you apply that will make it more realistic. I am also shading on teeth for make it more realistic. Which graphite have spread outside the lips, so you can clean it by using eraser just like this. It's very important to highlight on lips just like this. Now both eyes, nose and lips are drawn. Now it's time to shade whole face. So without delay, let's get started. So once again I am using 3H pencil for creating base layer. Now I am using 2B pencil to create shadows below the nose. It's very important to observe shadows and lights in our whole portrait, which will make it more realistic and 3D. So you can easily observe that how am I shading, and you can easily learn. Video is not too fast, so you can easily understand how am I shading. I hope you like it and you are understanding something. I am shading layer by layer to obtain more realistic and 3D look. For cheeks, I am again using 3H pencil, and where is extremely light condition, so where I will not shade, I will only blend there. Friends, my English is not too good, so I hope you are getting my point and hope you are understanding what I want to say. After blend, it's looking so smooth. Now I am applying another layer by using HB pencil, so let's see. So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it and you learned something from this. In next video we will continue the portrait and we will try to complete it. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching.